dudes. Today I'm at the Historic Society's location, and they gave me exclusive permission. Look at that stone, it's beautiful. So I'm digging here and I'm super excited and grateful. But they also said they would open the basement. So I did bring my T2 small coil, because if I'm gonna do the basement, which is a dirt basement, I'm gonna need that. So wish us luck. I'll give you more information about the location in a minute and catch you on the next. Pew. This property is gorgeous. There's the museum, the old historic museum. I've been waiting for a while because this was all overgrown the last time, and now we got back here. So much space, and they do have cameras everywhere. So just saying. But I was digging here about 4 or 5 inches deep. I pulled this out and it looks like a button. Do it do. Too small to be a coin. We'll see. We'll clean it up because the mud is just like sticking. But I'm thinking button. I don't know. Every time I wipe it, it just smears more mud. I love this. Beautiful day in December. It's like 50 degrees, 48, 50. And I'm in this beautiful location. Doesn't get much better than this. Just wait. Alright, dudes. On to the next. Pew pew. Alright, guys. I just pulled this thin piece of metal out. I broke it, but it's definitely shaped like it could be something. So it's oval. And it's got like pegs on the back. So we'll see. It's pretty cool. We're getting closer. And hopefully they come and open the basement, and I'll put the T2 small puck coil on, and oh, that'll be awesome. Alright, on to the next. Alright, dudes, I just pulled this out. To me, it looks like some type of wheel that would have been on like a little cart or something. Little piece here too. But it's packed with mud. Definitely can't clean this right now, but it's probably junk, but it's probably a wheel to something. So this area's been pretty good. I'm gonna stick around here for a bit and then go over there, go by the garage stone foundation behind the garage. There's probably a bottle dump out here somewhere, but we will keep you posted, dude. On to the next. Pew. Alright, guys, just wanted to show you this behind the house. Some old bricks and a stone foundation on this. There's a big old tree over there. I'm gonna go definitely swing around that, and behind this, all throughout there, all in here, and then the backyard around the house. And then I'll probably come swing through the woods again because it's a lot of space. Alright, on to the next. Alright, dudes, I found some thick old glass jars. More glass over here. Definitely a bottle dump out around here. Some tile. Oh, this is looking good. There's more over there. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's like purple. That's old. Yeah, boy, that's purple. we're gonna, definitely an old, oh yeah, we're gonna poke around here. I was just digging a signal. Oh, golf ball, can't get away from them. I was just digging a signal when I saw the glass. So, I'm gonna finish digging that. And then we'll get back to this glass. You know me, I love the bottles. We'll be back. Whew. Alright dudes, was just digging here and I pulled out this big old pipe and just cleaned this off. I thought it was a button, but it's a bail seal. That is a bail seal. Booyah. Booyah booyah, I love it. Alright. I can't see if there's any writing on it yet, but I'll clean it off. It's definitely a bottle dump. I found pots and pans and glasses and dishes and bottles, but everything's kind of broken. But we'll find a spot. Alright, on to the next. Alright dudes, pulled out a bucket. Lots of bottle parts. Little bottles, a lot of nice bottle toppers. And a 1926 license plate. That's pretty cool. I'll try and clean that up for them. That might look good hanging up in the museum. And then, oh, that would have been cool. Dude! So many would have been cool. I'm gonna make a shirt. Me and Tony with an eye were talking. How many times you bottle digging saying, oh, look, that would have been cool. That's the next shirt. On to the next. Pew! Oh boy, that would have been good. That would have been good. Lots of clam shells and oyster shells and bottles. Pieces of metal. Alright, we're gonna keep looking. We'll be back. Oh, look at that. Stuff just falling out. On to the next. Alright dudes, just digging here. And lots of bottles and glass. And I pulled out like an organ reed. Booyah. And everything I find here, I give to them. I put the cool stuff in a display case. And then I just leave the bottles out for them. And they're all awesome people. So we'll add this to the display case with the bail seal and the button and whatever else. On to the next. Pew pew. Alright guys, just pulled this out. I'm really bummed about that one. Really bummed about that one. But I pulled this out. Does that say made in USA? Little glass bowl with a tin type top. Interesting. That could be like a little ink or something. I think that's a keeper. We'll put that in their pile. I like it. Interesting though. I'll have to look that up. Take a couple pics. Because I'm leaving it here, so I'm not gonna bring it home and research maybe, and I'll give it to them with the display case. One or the other. Alright, on to the next. Alright, same spot. Just pulled this out. That would have been good. Whistle thing. I'm gonna keep scraping around here a little bit. See what we get, and then I still haven't even checked the basement yet. I gotta get over there. I don't have that long today. Hopefully. Ooh, I bet that went with that. Oh yeah, look. That definitely went with that. Alright. On to the next. Pew. Alright guys, this is not 100% complete, but it's beautiful. It's like a little soap type dish, and John Maddock & Sons, England. See, this would look great with some buttons or crotal bells and buckles or marbles or something in it. That's beautiful. Alright, on to the next.